At the end of the video, you'll find a link to a resource that will walk you through the whole process of starting an LLC step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. Starting a limited liability company, LLC, offers several advantages and disadvantages. Pros. 1. Limited liability. One of the biggest advantages of forming an LLC is that it provides limited liability protection to its owners, members. This means that the personal assets of members are typically protected from business debts and liabilities. In the event of lawsuits or bankruptcy, the members' personal assets are generally not at risk beyond their investment in the company. 2. Flexible taxation. LLCs have flexibility in how they are taxed. By default, LLCs are treated as pass-through entities for tax purposes, meaning that the profits and losses of the business pass through to the individual members who report them on their personal tax returns. However, LLCs can also choose to be taxed as corporations, either C corporations or S corporations, if it is more advantageous for them. 3. Simple formation and administration. Forming an LLC is generally less complex and requires less paperwork compared to other business structures like corporations. Additionally, there are fewer ongoing administrative requirements, such as annual meetings and extensive record-keeping. 4. Credibility. Operating as an LLC can lend credibility to your business, as it may be perceived as more established and reputable compared to sole proprietorships or partnerships. 5. Flexibility in ownership and management. LLCs offer flexibility in terms of ownership structure and management. Members can be individuals, corporations, or other LLCs, and the LLC can be managed by its members or by appointed managers. Now the cons. 1. Limited life. In some jurisdictions, the lifespan of an LLC may be limited to a certain number of years, or it may dissolve upon the death or withdrawal of a member, unless specific provisions are made in the operating agreement. 2. Self-employment taxes. While LLCs offer pass-through taxation, members are typically subject to self-employment taxes on their share of the company's profits. This can result in a higher overall tax burden compared to being an employee of a corporation. 3. State filing fees. There are costs associated with forming and maintaining an LLC, including state filing fees and, in some cases, annual franchise taxes or renewal fees. 4. Complexity in some states. While LLC formation is generally straightforward, the rules and regulations governing LLCs can vary from state to state. Some states may have additional requirements or restrictions that can add complexity to the process. 5. Potential for disputes. Without a clear operating agreement outlining the rights and responsibilities of members, there is a potential for disputes and conflicts to arise among members regarding decision-making, profit-sharing, and other aspects of the business. Ultimately, whether starting an LLC is the right choice depends on the specific needs and circumstances of your business. Consulting with legal and financial professionals can help you make an informed decision. Thank you for watching. As we conclude this video, go to the description below this video for a link to a resource that will walk you through the whole process of starting an LLC step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free.